everyone. Hot chocolate is a comforting and delicious beverage that is perfect for cold winter days. In a bowl, take cocoa powder, add milk in it, dissolve the cocoa powder in the milk. Cocoa mix is ready and keep aside. Heat milk in a pan. Cook on medium heat. Bring it to boil. Now strain the cocoa mix and add in the boiling milk. Mix it well to avoid lumps. Add chopped dark chocolate in it. Mix again. Add sugar. Dissolve the chocolate and sugar together. Add vanilla essence to it. Mix and cook for 2 minutes and close the heat. Pour it in the cup. Top it with whipped cream and some chocolate shavings. Enjoy your warm and comforting cup of hot chocolate.